Hello, my name is Nkurunziza Raphael. I'm a Burundian young peace builder from a local youth radio organization called Yeri Burundi Youth Empowerment and Leadership Initiative. I am also the regional coordinator of the United Network of Young Peace Builders, UNOI, in East and Southern Africa. So, as you know, the United Nations Security Council has adopted the Resolution 2250. So, as my country, Burundi, is a member of the United Nations, so this resolution is being implemented in Burundi as well. So, this book that I show you is the resolution translated in the native language so that everybody can understand what it is in the resolution. So as the resolution is being implemented, there is a study that has been conducted at the national level to show how young people are being represented in different decision-making instances. So a young person is a person whose age is between 18 to 35 in my country. So I would like to show you what the study show us. You can see here we have different decision-making instances where the study has been conducted here on this side. And in this column here, this column is how young people are being represented. You can see how young people are being represented on this side here, coming on this other page here. It's on this column here. You can see the number of young people, how it is turning on the other page. It's here, you can see. And on the other page, you can see how young people are being represented. So, which means what? There is a minority of young people in these decision-making instances. That's one. And also, the government of Burundi has prioritized the inclusion of young people in decision-making instances. So which means what? One, there is a need of advocating for the implementation of the Resolution 2250 in my country, Burundi. Two, young people are wondering if this minority of young people that we have representing us, if really they are doing what we want them to see doing. Meaningful participation of these young people. So, as a youth led organization here in Burundi, to bring this on table, we have conducted an activity. The activity is called TAGI, Talking Across the Generation on Education. So, as you can see here, we involved the government of Burundi. Here is us, Yeri Burundi, and here is UNESCO MGIP. Normally, this program is a program of UNESCO MGIP, but we adjusted this program to Burundian context. So here we have preventing violent extremism through education, and here down you can see it's written in French, place méritée de la jeunesse, which means the deserved place of young people. So how are we implementing this, or what was the idea of thinking about implementing this activity? So the idea is to bring young people and the senior decision makers on one table and discussing issues related to young people. So how did we do that? First of all, to make it very clear, we conducted an online discussion. So during this online discussions, it took 4 weeks. We established some questions that maybe young people have, and then we put them online on our platform. And then we call young people to give answers or give their point of view on that platform. And there are moderators that led the discussions so that the discussion goes well. So after the discussions, we highlighted that we will select 6 young people who will be discussing with the senior decision makers in a live event, and that's how we did it. So the discussions took 4 weeks online, and we selected young people, 6 young people from the online discussions, and we selected the other young people, around 150 young people who will be like a public when the discussions will be going on. That's how we did it. And then after the 4 weeks, we host the live event where we invited the senior decision makers AZ. So we invited the government, the senior decision makers included the Ministry of Youth, the Ministry of Education, and the other stakeholders. We put them together on a table in front of the public, and then they discussed all of these questions that young people have. So after the discussions, they have the senior decision makers tried to highlight some of the questions that maybe young people have, and the young people came out with some recommendations to follow, just to put on the table, so that maybe senior decision makers can understand what are the problems that young people have and how they can push this question to find solutions. So after the recommendations, then they have been taken by this senior decision makers and they put them in their ministries. So that's how it went. We are trying to see how we can follow up with the implementation of these recommendations, as well the implementation of the resolution 2250. So this is one of the activity that maybe inspired young people, because they got opportunities to exchange with the senior decision makers on one table, give their point of view, things like that. Yeah, that's how we did, and we are seeing how we can follow up with this activity that we did. So thank you very much to follow my video. Hope there is something that inspired you in this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.